Hello friends, in the last session of netball we learned about the game, its rules and the different positions of the players in netball and its court. In today's session we will know how to shoot in netball. This is for GA and GS. Netball is a team sport that is similar to basketball. The biggest differences are there is no dribbling, there is no backboard, and you must pass the ball in 3 seconds. It not only involves running, jumping, throwing, and catching, but also builds strong bonds of trust and team effort. Shooting is one of the main skill needed in netball, but shooting technique is a little different than most sports. The first method in today's topic is perfecting your technique. I will be teaching you total 3 methods. Today we will talk about method 1. Let's begin. 1. Positioning your body to shoot. The picture shows how to stand while shooting. The proper stance is the foundation to your shooting technique. Keep your feet shoulder width distance apart and relax your knees. Your hips, shoulders, and elbows should be facing forward. Your body should be aligned no matter where you are around the post. Stand close to the ring. Have someone else watch you as you practice your stance. Another person can see any error and help you make adjustment. Practice your stance in different positions around the post. Make sure your feet are always pointed towards the post. Point 2. Placing the ball in your hands. The picture shows how to handle a ball while shooting. Hold the ball with your dominant shooting hand and keep your fingers soft. Hold the ball as high as you can. Use your other hand for balance, but do not apply pressure. Your fingers should be touching the ball, but leave a little bit of space between the palm of your hand and the ball. If you are a young player or a new player, it may be easier to hold the ball with 2 hands. Holding with the 2 hands will give you more power when you are shooting. Once the ball is firmly in your hands, hold the ball high above your head. You should not be able to see the ball when it is above your head. Third point, shooting the netball. This picture shows the different angles of shooting of our body. Bend your elbow and your knees at the same time. Keep your elbow by your forehead and only move the top part of your arm. Straighten your elbow and your knees. Then release the ball. Toss the ball up in an up over motion towards the ring. Aim at the center point above the net as you shoot and flick your hand forward with your shooting arm. It is important that you bend your knees before you release the ball. Flicking your hand will cause the ball to spin backward after you release it. This helps with the accuracy of your shot. Keep your back straight as you release the ball. If you are shooting with 2 hands, both your hands will go through the shooting motion. Think of your elbow as a lever when you are shooting and only move the top portion, that is forearm area. Fourth point, throwing the netball from further away. The picture shows the distance between the pole and the player. Stand a little further back, bend your knees and jump then throw to perfect your technique from further away. To be a good goal shooter, you don't have to be able to get goals from a long away from the ring. It's great if you get though. It can be beneficial while you are being defended. Fifth, remember the BWF acronym. This is how we release a ball. The shooting technique can be overwhelming. There are so many things to remember. BEEF can help you remember the key aspect of shooting in a netball. B for balance. Keep your feet shoulder width apart and pointing towards the goal. E for eyes. Keep your eyes focused on where you want to throw the ball. E for elbow. Keep your elbow close to the ear. F for follow through. Always flick your hand and wrist. So, this was all about shooting. This will help GS and GA while taking the shot. Thank you. That's all for today's